Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cute pink and purple Valentine eyeshadow look I have on right now. If you're interested, just keep watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, I am doing post notification shoutouts at the end of every video. I am going to be doing a ton more Valentine's videos, and I'm going to be doing separate Valentine's looks for my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my link is down below in the description. Let's start the video. I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Jeffree Star concealer like usual. This is literally my favorite concealer. I will be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette today, and the first shade I'm going to be using is Bubblegum. I'm going to be applying Bubblegum to the inner corner of my eye and blending it out, and I'm going to be using a small blending brush by Morphe to do that. Packing that shade down onto wet concealer is going to make the shade more pigmented and blend out easier. I cleaned off the same small blending brush from Morphe, and I'm going to be using that with the shade Gumdrop, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer corner of the eye and blend it into Bubblegum. Again, I'm going to be packing that shade down and then blending it out. I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush from Morphe with no product, and I'm going to be blending everything out more so there are no harsh lines and everything is blended perfectly. I'm going to be taking the shade Good Morning on a regular blending brush, and I'm going to be blending out Bubblegum some more so there is no harsh line where the shadow stops. Also, with the shade Good Morning, I'm going to be blending that into the purple shade so the pink and the purple blend perfectly together. Now taking the shade Delicious, I'm going to be packing that onto the outer crease of my eye and blending it into the shade Gumdrop. I'm going to be taking Gumdrop again, and with that shade, I'm going to be blending out the shade Delicious I just applied, so everything is more blended. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to be applying the concealer to my lower eyelid, and then when I look up, That's going to leave the line where the crease should go. This is a trick for hooded eyes. I'm going to be doing an ombre cut crease, so I'm going to be placing Jawbreaker on the inner part of my crease. On the outer part of my crease, I'm going to be placing the shade Snack, and I'm going to be blending Jawbreaker and Snack together so there is no line where the two shadows meet. Taking the shade Gumdrop again, with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blending out the line where the shimmer shadow ends. Again with the shade Delicious, I'm going to be darkening up what I just did. With a flat defining brush, taking the shade Gumdrop again, I'm going to be blending it out under my outer lash line. With that same brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Bubblegum, and I'm going to be blending it out under my inner lower lash line. I'm going to be blending those two shadows together so there is no line where the two shadows meet. Taking a fluffy blending brush with no product, I'm going to be blending out my lower lash line. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using a NYX Butter Gloss, and it is in the shade Spice Cake. Okay, here is the final look. You can leave it like this, but I am going to be adding some more things to this look for a more Valentine's Day aesthetic. I will be posting a picture of the final look on my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the link will be down in the description. I am going to be doing a few more Valentine's looks for my Instagram. I'm also going to be doing tutorials for my YouTube channel. Today's notification shout out goes out to Justin MUA. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. If you would like the chance to get shouted out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and comment down below when you're done. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.